Foxtrot Romeo Uniform about your landing clear. Winds are 020 at 10 knots, active runway 34. Altimeter 2989er.
2989er on the altimeter for Foxtrot Romeo Uniform.
Brief secure. Upright. Doors closed. 3. Check and set. Perfect.
Traffic, Foxtrot Romeo Uniform is taken 34.
Airspeed active.
Fox Terminal, good afternoon. This is Cessna 172 Charlie Golf, Foxtrot Romeo Uniform, level at 1,700. 5 south of Debert, Charlie Quebec 3, inbound for Halifax and the local west, requesting flight polling, please.
Charlie Golf Fox Romeo Uniform, Halifax, good afternoon. Squad code 4316.
Squawking 4316 for Foxtrot Romeo Uniform. Halifax Terminal, Foxtrot Romeo Uniform will be flying towards Halifax. No landings anywhere, back to Debert, Charlie Quebec 3 in about an hour.
Fox Romeo Uniform, check the mark. You are radar identified at 1,600 feet. Altimeter 2980.
2980, altimeter, roger that, thanks. Get a quick check on our instruments. Oil pressure and temperature are good. Vacuum is good. Amps are good. Plenty of fuel. 1,800 feet, a little chop. We're good. And we're going to lean the mixture a bit down to about 10 gallons per hour, 9, and we're good.
2916, Halifax Terminal, good afternoon. Kilo current landing 3205 is also available if you prefer that. Winds are 350, 5 gusts 15. And altimeter 2980 to 10,600. You can let me know when you yak amongst yourselves whether you'd like 32 or 5. Runway 5 sounds like a winner. Set up a track in your SMS direct to Oddcast, the 10-mile IF. Foxtrot Romeo Uniform, contact tower 118.4.
18.4 for Foxtrot Romeo Uniform. We'll talk to you on the other side, thanks. Fox Tower, good afternoon. This is Cessna 172, Charlie Golf, Foxtrot Romeo Uniform, level at 1815 miles north, inbound, Halifax and the local west. Request clearance for the zone, please.
Foxtrot Romeo Uniform, Halifax, Charlie Roger, 10110, gives 15, altimeter is 2980, clear to control zone, direct to the city.
Clear direct to the city, Foxtrot Romeo Uniform, Roger.